Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Krishna Raghavendran, and in this tutorial of HTML web development, we will learn how to insert tables in an HTML document. So before we start, please click the red subscribe button for more interesting videos. So I have created a table in a Word document which we are going to put in our HTML website. So it has the name and age, profession of three persons, A, B and C. So A is 14 years old and he is a student, B is 35 years old and he is a teacher, C is 46 years old and he is a software engineer. So we are going to put this table in HTML. So I put the HTML, head tag, title and all these. So I taught you how to put these in the before tutorials. If you haven't seen those tutorials, please go and see it now. Now in the body tag, we are going to put table tag. So to insert a table, we put the table tag. The border is going to be 1 pixel. And then the width of the table is going to be 100%. 100%. Now let me close this tag, and inside this table tag we will put the table head and the table body. So we represent table head by thead and then table body tbody. And now the table head is this one, name, age and profession, and then the table body is these contents, A, B, C, their age and their profession. So inside this table head we put a row, which is this row. So I'm going to put the full row first. So to put a row, we put the tr tag. Now inside this tr tag, we are going to put 3 columns. One is name, the other one is age, and the third one is profession. So let's start by putting the 3 columns. So to put a column, we use the td tag. So let me put name. I'll just copy and paste this here, age and then profession. And let me save it. Now we put the head, the T head. Let's start by doing the T body. So in the T body, we first put TR, which means a tabled row. So we actually need to put 3 rows because there is A, B and C. So first let's complete the first row, which is A and its age and the profession. So inside this TR, we need to put 3 TDs because there are 3 columns here. So let me put 3 TDs. The first TD is going to be A, which is the name. The second TD is going to be the age of A. So the age of A is 14. And then the profession of A. So A is a student. So let me put student and save it. Now we just need to copy paste this TR 3 times because there are 3 people, A, B and C. So I'll just do Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So now inside this TD I'll put B, because in the second column the name is B and the age is 35 and he is a teacher. Let me put the age as 35, and then in the next TD, which is the last TD, profession, I will put it as teacher. Now we are done with B. Let's start doing for C, which is the last person. He is 46 years old and he is a software engineer. So C, I'll put 46 as the age and he is a software engineer. So I put A, B and C. So now let's see the live preview. It's connecting to the live preview. And now you can see the name, age and profession, A, B and C. So A is 14 years old and he's a student, and you can see all those information. So now have we finished the table? There is one more thing to do. So we need to make the T head bold. This one, table head. Name, age and profession should be in bold. So in HTML we use the B tag to make something bold. So inside this B, let me put name. The same thing here for age. Let me put age inside the B tag. And then profession. Let me put profession inside the B tag now. And let me save it. Now let's go to the live preview, and you can see that name, age and profession is in bold. So now we just have learned how to create a table.